If you have a laptop, good research skills, and a little bit of creativity, you can be making anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month. You don't have to worry about tons of people copying this method and following suit, because the truth is 95% of people are not going to watch this video in its entirety. And out of the 5% of people who do, only 1% will take the time and effort it requires to follow through and make this a passive income stream for them. This is because this is not a way to make money quickly. It requires a lot of time and effort, but if you stick it out, it can be extremely fruitful in the long run. The business model is called print on demand. It allows people, especially those who do not have a lot of money to invest in inventory upfront that can often cost thousands of dollars, to sort of pay as you go. So instead of buying products in bulk, you buy them as someone purchases them from your store. And because we're in 2022, the process is completely automatic, which makes it super passive. So every time you get a sale, the supplier will create and ship out the item for you, and you'll pay them for that, and then you'll keep the profits. You can sell print on demand on any website, but I personally like to use Etsy because Etsy runs like a search engine. Similar to Amazon, when people go on it, they search up exactly what they're looking for. I have this list of the best print on demand suppliers in my bio that have a massive catalog of blank products. Your job will be to go on Canva and create designs to put on to these products. But the key is to do proper product research. You don't want to create a random design and put it on a random product. You want to create a design that people are actively looking for. You can use erank.com to see what people are searching up on Etsy. Look at this random keyword, first day of school. Over 3,000 searches, high click-through rate, and low competition. You can also go on Google Trends and type in Etsy gifts and see what topics are being searched up as well. Once you find that niche that isn't saturated and has low competition, you'll create your design, upload it to your products, upload it to your Etsy shop, and fill out the proper SEO information. The process of integrating specific suppliers to your Etsy shop is super simple. You can literally Google or YouTube any of them, and you'll definitely find an in-depth video on how to integrate your store. The number one key is to sell products that are validated, that people are searching up, not what you think is cute, what the market wants. And then you want to create tons of variations of that same product. Good luck.